Latsho elokwitsho mbukeli ngoku singena kwiyure yethu yesibini yenkqubo xa ke sikrobisa kancinci lowo uphosiweyo sithetha ke ngalamanqaku alandelayo kule yure singena kuyo isehlo sengozi nesithe kaloku sasuba imiphefumlo yabasebenzi mgodini abali-11 kumgodi wasentla-ntshona. Inkomfa yamadoda yemanyano yamazwe ase-Afrika i-AU namanye ke amanqaku amaninzi. Qiniseka mbukeli uhleli uthe zava bukele inkqubo yakho. Ndimlo ke Inkanyezi kalubisi inkanyezi enomsantsa phakathi kwezinye.
Mbukeli siqala ke lesibili manje ihora ohlelweni Ekhaya Jikelele asigijimi siyaphaphatheka. Ehora lento lokuqala ke mbukeli sike sakhuluma noJenene ubantu bonke olomisa kanye nosolwazi ubreakfast. Siphinde futhi ke sathola noOwen Komo wenkunzi investment kusekuningi nje sinakho ngoba phela uma ngabe ligamanqinqa ihora lesikhombisa sobe ke sesikhuluma noJoseph Mathunjwa weAMCU nalapho ke sobe sikhuluma naye ngesigameko sasemayini. Njengamanje ke mbukeli njengoba nje ke singena ehoreni lethu lesibili ake sibheke indaba ehamba phambili.
It is quite a sad incident. It ended our effort to move towards zero harm.
Umongameli weAMCU mnumzana Joseph Mathunjwa umemelela ukuba bathwaliswe uxanduva baphathi bemigodi. Zikhatyiwe inkokheli ye-IFP izitsholo zokuba ubuso benkokheli yombutho ekhothamileyo umntwana uMangosuthu Buthelezi buza kuba kwiphepha lokuvota.
Hey, singambiza no chup. You know what it is, ngubixhosa lona hlala ubukele Ekhaya Jikelele from Monday to Friday sikuphathele zemidlalo, entertainment and current affairs. Ungaphoswa.
Umongameli weAMCU mnumzana Joseph Mathunjwa uthi babathwaliswe uxanduva babekwa amatyala okubulala abaphathi bemigodi ngenxa yezehle ezithe gqolo ezisuba imiphefumlo yabantu kweli candelo. Oku emva kokuba kubhubhe abasebenzi mgodini abali-11 kumgodi weImpala kulandela ingozi eyehle emathunjini omgodi.
Inzolo enganyamezelekiyo kulandela isithwakumbe sengozi emgodini esube imiphefumlo eli-11 konzakala abasebenzi abangaphaya kwama-70.
Siphatheka kahle because abafowethu balimela abanye basezibhedlela abanye basoleki.
Alinothi sisafe singenothi asikho safe because ayo nto yenzeka ilanga nelanga leyo but isethusile nathi.
Zange sivele into yenzeka lapha eImpala into eqala ukwenzeka lento yilena isingasiphatha ngayo kuba uqhawuke intamo yekhichi.
Ngokutsho kweziphathimandla zomgodi iImpala Platinum iphulo lohlangulo lithathe iyure eziqabeleyo eshumini.
Our rescue operation started at 6 o'clock last night and by 7 o'clock this morning we were able to clear all employees impacted out of the underground workings.
Umphathiswa wezimbiwa namandla umnumzana Kwedemantashe uthi esisehlo sishiye ichaphaza elibi kumatiletile ukuthibaza ubhubhane kwimigodi.
It is quite a sad incident. It ended our effort to move towards zero harm in the industry. You remember that in 2022 we reduced the number of fatalities to 49. That was the lowest number.
Nakubeni kunjalo imanyano iAMCU ayifuni nokuva oku imemelela kuthwaliswe uxanduva abalawuli belicandelo.
AMCU has been calling for the amendment of Mine Health and Safety Act for these company bosses be really accountable, especially to be charged with culpable homicide. Because some of these accidents are repeatable accidents.
Kanti ke ngokweImpala Platinum i-75 eyonzakeleyo ileqiswe esibhedlele logama abasebenzi abali-10 bekwimeko emandundu.
Iphoyisa lesimame laseLimpopo lithi iNingizimu Afrika izoyinqoba kuphela impi yodlame olubhekiswe kwabesifazane uma amaphoyisa esebenza ukubambisana nomphakathi kanye nezisulu zodlame lwe-GBV. Lokhu ke kusho usayitsheni uGlenda Mathebula osanda kuqonyeliswa njengomsesho ohamba phambili eLimpopo. Lokhu ke kulandela ukuthi ephenyanga impumelelo amaqala ahlukahlukene afaka phakathi udlame olubhekiswe kwabesifazane, ukudlwengula kanye nawo ukubulawa kwabantu besifazane. Usayitsheni Mathebula ke ujutshwe ophikweni olubhekela udlame lwemndeni, ukuvikela kwezingane kanye nokunukubezwa ngokocansi. Kanti ke usayitsheni uGlenda usechithe iminyaka e19 esebenza njengephoyisa.
There's a lot of challenges that we encounter. Sometimes you'll find that the victims, they are not open up, they don't want to talk. Like when we are with a victim who is an elderly person, I don't know, they feel ashamed to talk to us. We have women who compromise the health of their children in order to save their marriages.
Abasemagunyeni kumasipala wengingqi yaseMatlusana eKlerksdorp bajongene nezikhalo zokula okanye zokulwa ubundlobongela obusekezelwe kwisini ngenxa yeengxelo eziphezulu zolwaphulo-mthetho ngokwesondo ezibhaliswe kwisikhululo samapolisa saseJoburton. Usapho lakoMokwena lufuna ubulungisa kwintombi yalo uMutlalepule kunye nonyana wabo uMaliseng Mukhuma okutyholwa ukuba bahlatywe batshiswa eTyotyombeni.
Sabathelekile kwa-Israel abayishumi abebethunjwe iqembu lamavikela mbuso eHamas kanye nelinye iqembu lasePalestine. Ngakolunye uhlangothi elakwa-Israel lona likhulule iziboshwa zasePalestine ngama-30. Izakhamuzi zasePalestine zikuthakasela ukwamukela laba ababeboshwe kwa-Israel ngezikhathi noma ke ngesikhathi bededelwa izolo ebusuku. Okholeleke ekutheni ke lezi ziboshwa zidedelwe ukungenelela kwenhlangano phela ebizwa ngokuthi i-International Red Cross. Lokhu kwenzeka nje impi phakathi kweHamas neIsrael ibisathule njengoba kube khona ukuvumelana ukuthi kubekwe phansi izikhalo kwesikhashana nenhloso yokuthola ke isisombululo. Ukubeka izikhalo phansi ke bese kuphelelwe isikhathi ke pha ngomsombuluko zombili inhlangothi zavumelana ukuthi izoqhubeka ukubeka phansi izikhali kulempi esidonsa isikhathi eside.
Isixeko saseGauteng siceba ukubhena ngokuchithwa kwesibheno saso kwinkundla ephakamileyo malunga nokuchongwa kukaFloyd Brink njengomanejala wesixeko. uBrink wonyulwa libhunga laseGauteng kweyomdumba nangona engaphumelelanga kwiimfuno zovavanyo. Umbutho iDA yafaka isicelo enkundleni ngocanzibe iphikisa ngelithi uBrink akakhange ahlangabeze nemigaqo emisebenzi.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kube seqhulwini ukwanda kwezinto ezingcolisa umoya engqungqutheleni yeinsuku eziyi-13 emayelana nomthelelo wokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu ehleli e-United Arab Emirates. Kuze kube manje ayikaze zifezeke izibopho zokweseka amazwe adla imbuya ngothi ukuze ezokwazi ukumelana kangcono nokulawula ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Kwasungulwa isikhwama sokuthi amazwe athathwa njengamancane emhlabeni abhekane kangcono nomthelelo ongemuhle wokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Siphinde ke sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya jikelele sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi lapha ekhaya. Ngaphambi nje ukuthi ke siye ekhefini imbukeli besimtshela ngeyisematheni kanjalo nje ke nezinye nezemidlalo. Kanti ke futhi mbukeli ungalingi unyakaze phela hlala nathi la ekhaya ngoba kuningi sakuphathele khona. Sizophinde sixoxisane ke noJoseph Mathunjwa ongumholi ke weAMKU okuyinyunyana yabasebenzi ke abasebenza lapha emayini. Mbukeli phela uzokhumbula ukuthi ke sabika udaba lokuthi kwenye emayini impala platinum kube nezisebenzi eyishonile ngaphansi emgodini. So besixoxisana nje ngalolu daba sibheka nje nezindlela sixoxisana naye ukuthi mhlawumbe iziphi izinto engenziwa ukuze ke kugwenywe izigameko ezifana nalezi.
Kuba xa uzawuthetha ngomba wokusweleka kwabasebenzi emgodini owona mbuzo utshotshenhla kukuba kanti ingaba azikhuselekanga na, ingaba imephi okanye lumephi ukhuseleko elwabo abaphila phansi komgodi. So izinto ezifana nezi zenza inxalabo into yokubana umrhulumente funeke abe kanti unyusa igazi uqinisekisa into yokubana abasebenzi emgodini bayakhuseleka kuba ngootata bamakhaya aba uninzi lwabo uyafumanisa into yokubana zii-breadwinners. Ngoku ke umntu xa izawuswelekela esemsebenzini esondla usapho lwakhe, ingaba okukuthini kutheni nje kungekho i-safety measures khona phakathi emigodini.
Ngoba phela uzokhumbula Khosi ukuthi khona enye imine ebizwa ngelili mine okwashona khona izisebenzi nakhona. Okubuhlungu ke khona ukuthi labo basebenzi bagcina bengathulakalanga ukuthi ke kungenwe ngaphansi emathunjini omhlaba babheke bathulaka bagcina namanje imndeni akaze ithole iclosure. Okubuhlungu kakhulu ke so sethemba ukuthi mhlawumbe kulolu daba lwaseMpala mhlawumbe khona kuzozanywa ukuthi kungenwe ngaphansi bahambe bayobhekwa baphinde bathola ukuze imndeni nje izokwazi ukuthi phela ingcwaba amathambayo ikwazi ukuthi iqhubekele phambili ngempilo.
And phakathi kwezinye izinto athe wabe kanti uyazibalula umongameli weAMCU ukuba kakade xa uzawungena emgodini ungena kwindawo engakhuselekanga kwayona, indawo nje yobumnyama engakhuselekanga. Kwaye umbuzo otshotshenhla kukuba kubani mhlambe kumele bangoku uthweswa uxanduva ngale miphefumlo. Liyathusa kakhulu elinani liphezulu kakhulu.
Ayiliyethusa lona impela. Kukhona kodwa okunye ke mbukeli ke esikuphathele khona lapha ekhaya Jikelele zikhona ke ihambeli ezofika nalapha e-studio sixoxisane nabo. Siyazi ukuthi ke ikhona i-musical ebizwa ngokuthi Pula. Sobe ke sesixoxisana ke no-producer wayo umkhiqizi wayo esitshela nje kabanzi ngeinhlelo zakhe nanokuthi izobikuphi umcimbi uzobukuphi basiphatheleni abantu yini into abangayilindela njalo njalo.
Kanti kana njalo uyawuqonda ukhumbula into yokubana sele singenile kuyo i-16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Kwaye siyabona into yokubana sekukhona intshukumo namaphulo amaninzi alwa nobundlobongela obusekezelwe kusini. Kuya kwachulumancisa kakhulu ukubona imbumba yamadoda ehlangene kuba kaloku ezinye izinto funeke bazixoxe bebodwa kungekho mhlambe ilizwi esingatsho into yobana lilizwi lamanina. Basixoxe bebodwa ngamadoda into yobana mhlambe ingaba konakelephi zintoni thina mhlambe singamadoda esinothi sizilungise uqinisekisa into yokubana sisiphula nengcambu kuba kungekudala besinalo udliwanondlebe lakhe uZisandwa ibhale incwadi ethi I was raped. And uyacinga into yobana uthi udlwenguliwe ngubani lo muntu omdlwengulile udlwengulwe lusapho lwakhe ngamadoda amathathu. So xa kuzoba khona intshukumo nendibano apha amadoda ehlangana khona ekwazi ukukhalimela because sithina singamanina siyakwazi ukukhalimelana. Umbuzo ngokuba bona bayakwazi xa behlangene bakwazi ukukhalimelana ngezi zenzo zimbi ziqubayo.
Sishayele ke nezandla iphoyisa lade ngibuya ngalo laseLimpopo ekuthiwa lisesha amacala abhekene nokuhlukunyezwa kwezingane ukudlwengula njalo njalo uGlenda kuthiwa ke hayi uyimpela ke one high number of ama convictions owenzayo lapha yana ukusesha amacala nana semshayela izandla ke lapha ya usayitshena uGlenda eLimpopo umuhle impela ke umsebenzi wenzayo siyamfisela nje nokuthi sengathi ke angaqhubekela phambili enze umsebenzi omuhle. Satholakala ke SABC Plus makhulu batshela babukeli.
Siyafumaneka ku SABC Plus sesa upgrade kaloku kwezinyanga ezigqithileyo njengoko besipha ku DTT sithe hayi man ababukeli bethu bayathanda kaloku into yokubana basibukele besemisebenzini. Ufumanisa into yobana umuntu akanathamsanqa lokubangela ixesha ube kanti uhlele endlini. Sathi no masithi SABC Plus into ethi ke naphina umuntu apho ekhoyo ngaba mhlawumbe usendleleni usemsebenzini naphina uyakwazi usifumana ku SABC Plus. Enye ke into emnandi wena mamtshali nawe mbukeli kukuba uba ngaba umbukeli uye waba kanti akakwazanga uyibukela inkqubo ukhona ucatch up
lapha ku YouTube ungena khona nje
not even na ku YouTube pha ku SABC Plus.
Yeah ukhona ucatch up ku SABC Plus akwazi ukubona uyakwazi futhi ukuthi angene ku YouTube awubheke lapha yana ku SABC Iindaba noma thi SABC Ekhaya Jikelele abesefaka usuku manguthi SABC Ekhaya Jikelele idate namhlanje afaka idate uzobona isiqephu sanamhlanje mayingafaka ngisho sika June uzofica isiqephu sika June nje yonke into right ngoba mbukela sifuna ukuthi usale ngemuva sifuna ukuthi nje uhlezi wazi ngezinto ezenzekayo emhlabeni wonke jikelele.
Kaloku Ekhaya Jikelele ikhaya likhaya ngendaba xa unqonqoza funeke uphume ufumbathe nto awungeni nje uphala uphaca ungena ufumbanti itho ukuthi ayibo khawubambe ngapha enhla kukho intontontontonton uthathe ufunjatshisa nathi ke apha ekhaya Jikelele mbukeli siyaqinisekisa into yokubana sikuphakela ezisematheni eziqhubekayo apha ekhaya sitsibe nemida sikuphakela eziqhubekayo phesheya kwamalantshi njengokwe umbukeli wabona into yokubana besiphethe kakhulu siba nalo nodliwanondlebe ingakumbi ekudabala phako Sirayeli noHamas silwela sitheqolo sikuxhobisa mbukeli ngakho konke okuqhubekayo
njengamanje ke mbukela ke sinje ke qu 8 sizobuya emva komsiswana. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya Jikelele odabeni lwethu phambili phela mbukeli sike sakubikela ngesigameko esenzeke emayini Impala eRustenburg eNorthwest lapho kushone khona izisebenzi zasemayini. Ingabe ngempela bukhona yini ubudedengo benzekile kulokhu nanokuthi nje yini okumele yenzeke ukuze zinciphe futhi zigcine ziphelile izigameko zokushona kwezisebenzi emayini. Njengamanje ke sixhumana ngocingo nomengameli wenyunyana yezisebenzi zasemayini AMKU uJoseph Mathunjwa. Mnumzana uJoseph Mathunjwa asikubingelele sikwamukele ohlelweni sibonge kakhulu kuba nawe namhlanje kuseni.
Ngiyabonga msakazi sikubingelele kanye nabalandeli bakho.
Ingabe ngempela mnumzana uMathunjwa bube khona yini ubudedengo kulokho?
Siqale nje sidlulisa amazwi okuzolana nemindeni elahlekelwe yihlobo zayo. Kanye nomphakathi nomakhelwane uNkulunkulu abathe amandla nokududuzela. Ngokubuka kwethu siyinyunyana siyabona ukuthi kube khona ubudedengo obenzakele noma ucwaningo lwabo bangakalwenzi. Lokho sikufiswa yini na ukuthi leli cage okanye leli isitolo elivela ibe nenkinga okudalileke ukuthi kuze kubizwe ochwepheshe ukuthi bazolungisa okanye bayibheke. Ngokuyilungisa kwabo kuyisonto kwi-weekend yonke kwimpela sonto yonke ubudedengo lana sibona khona ukuthi bekufanele ukuthi le shaft ingasebenzi inikezwe ithuba lokuthi kutestwe ukuthi ngabe leli cage selinalo yini amandla okanye selisesimeni sokuthi lingalayisha abasebenzi. Kodwa bemesane nje basebenza ngalo ngempela sonto kwathathwa abasebenzi ngomsombuluko ingakho sesibhekena lenhlekelele.
Manje mnumzana uMathunjwa ubani okumele athathelwe inyathelo ezinqala ngalesi sigameko njengoba nawe ubala ukuthi bekukade lizolungiswa nje kule mpela sonto mhlawumbe ingabe yilaba ababezolungiswa kuyibona abangalungisanga kahle noma mhlawumbe singabeka icala Impala yona imayini njengoba phela isheshe mhlawumbe yalisebenzisa ingakathesti ukuthi ingabe selisebenza kahle.
Abantu abokuqala kufanele ukuthi kube Impala uma ngabe ucwaningo i-commission of inquiry iyenzeka ithola ukuthi Impala kufanele kubeke icala. Kodwa ke asingakhohlisani akukho umuntu ozothola necala la kuzawuthiwa nje it's a natural disaster kuzawuthiwa benze konke umuntu ongakwazi ukukwenza ngokwabo ngoba i-report izothi ilungisiwe lento kodwa okwenziwe laphana kuzothiwa it's a God's hand. Yabazi mase bakhuluma isingisi ephezulu ilento ezokwenzeka. Ingakho iAMCO ibithi isho njalo ithi makube khona ukulungiswa okanye amendment ukubuyekeza komthetho weMine Health and Safety Act ukuze ukuthi ibe namandla yokuthi abashushiswe abantu abatholakala benze ubudedengu obenze ukuze ukuthi kulimale abasebenzi ngalendlela.
Manje mnumzana uMathunjwa senike nahlangana yini nabaphathi bemayini Impala uma ukuthi mhlawumbe senike nahlangana ingabe abaphawula bathini bona?
Ngeke ngabo bathi bathalinde ucwaningo oluzohlala phansi kodwa kona kuyakhombisa ukuthi kube khona lokuthiwa i-malfunction. Yingakho sithi thina kube ubudedengu bokuthi Impala yona ngokwayo bengafanele ukuthi i-teste i-lift okanye i-cage nabasebenzi phakathi. Befana ukuthi angithi ukuthi bebayitesta kodwa ngendlela ekwenzeke ngayo becabanga ukuthi Impala befanele iyenze ukuthi iyayivala le shaft ithathe isonto lonke itesta ngemthwalo ngezinsimbi ezithize ezilingana isisindo sabasebenzi ukuze baze bayisatisfy bayinelise bona ukuthi ngempela ilungiseke ngendlela efanelekile kodwa zange bakwenze lokho yazi ukuthi umthetho wala eSouth Africa noma ungayibiza iCommission akekho umuntu oyotholakala anecala into esiyophinde siyikhohle futhi thina sonke.
Mnumzane Mathunjwa manje zitholakele yini idumbuza labo ke abashonile njengoba phela sengicabanga ngikhumbula udaba lweli mine sengesabela ukuthi Nkosi yami engabe idumbu zona itholakele yini.
Kwazekile ukuthi izolo itabule idumbu eziyi11 ezu11 itholakele about 10 basesimeni esimbi kakhulu isithemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyokwenza umusa nomunye koyedwa naye isimo sakhe sinzima kakhulu nabanye ke laba abanye abalimele abawu75 so yathemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyokwenza umusa kodwa idumbu ezu11 zitholakele imindeni izolo kuhanjiwe yayokwaziswa isimo esesenzakele sesizobheka ke ukuthi kuyiwa kanjani phambili okunye futhi ishaft le kwenzeke khona lengozi ivaliwe ayisebenzi iphinde futhi saphakamisa umqashi ukuthi wonke amashaft aqale kuhlolwe zona lama cage ayisa abantu emsebenzini phansi ukuthi asesimeni esilungele na kungabi khona umsebenzi uzosebenzisa icage engakaze ihlolwe kabusha bese siyagciliseka ukuthi isesimeni ukuthi ngalayisha abasebenzi bakuvumileke lokho yiloko istructures ezibhizi ngako ke ukusukela namhlanje kuseni.
Mnumzane Mathunjwa mhlawumbe ikuphi okunye okungenziwa ukuze kugwemwe igameko ezifana nalezi nakwezinye nje ke imayini ngizwile ukuthi ke wabalolwa udaba lokuthi mhlawumbe kumele kwenziwe ama-amendments kushintshwe imithetho ezokwenza ukuthi kuholdwe accountable imayini ukuze izokwazi ukuthi iqinise ezokuphepha.
Okunye ngingasho dadewethu ukuthi inengane inabantu okanye ama-graduates ngisho ukuthi ayingane eyifundile eyihlele emakhaya eziphethe ama-degree kungani zinganikezwa ithuba ukuthi ziriskilwe ukuze ukuthi amakhono abo ayiswe kwezokuphepha ezimayini bese kubekwa umthetho ukuthi uma imayini inabasebenzi njengeyimpala inabasebenzi aba more than 40,000 hlangana nama-contractors angeke ukwazi lapho ukuthi ungaba ne-health and safety manager eyodwa ube nama-safety officers awu-10 or awu-5 into engeke izisebenze leyo kufanele ukuthi imine nemine ibe ne-fully flash ama-inspectorate abhogodile kobunjikela ngoba zonke izinto zasemayini zisebenza ngensimbi and imine is a highly regulated environment so uma kungathathwa lama-graduate ahlele emakhaya aqeqeshwe ngokwezokuphepha ezimayini one ngakwazi ukuthi abantwana bathole imisebenzi namakhono amasha lokho futhi kungaphinda futhi kusize ekunciphiseni izingozi emgodini lokho uhulumeni angakwenza ngoba uyena uhulumeni okhipha ilicense uma ekhipha ilicense athi uzoqasha abantu abawu-20,000 ngizofuna ama-safety managers mhlawumbe awu-5 kuleyo mine ngizofuna a fully fledged structure sama-inspectorate per discipline ukuthi department ne-department kufanele kube nomuntu ogogodile owazi ezokuphepha lapho ozoba full time ozoletha i-report njalo kuma-manager kuma-CEO naku-board na-everyone nezinyunyane zibe khona lapho ngiyathemba ukuthi uma bangayenza lento sesiqede more than 10 years siyimemeza siyi-AMCO kodwa uhulumeni angakwazi ukuyenza ngoba bazothi kuzoxoshwa ama-foreign investors ngoba uma siqinisa silwa ngezokuphepha kuvele kuthiwa kuzoxoshwa abatshali bezimali futhi imali iyona ebalulekile ukudlula imiphefumulo yabantu.
Sibonga kakhulu ke Mnumzane Mathunjwa ngesikhathi sakho Ekhaya Jikelele sikufisele nosuku oluhle.
Siyabonga nawe ngokunjalo uNkulunkulu anibusise.
Siyabonga. Mbukeli ke lowo bekumengameli wenyunyana esebenza semayini iAMCO uJoseph Mathunjwa okwamanje kasinje kequnga seyidolo sizobuya emva komsuzwana. Kick back. Kick back. Let's go 2 more. Then we're gonna change to the other side. Last one. Kick back, change sides. Ready? 2, 1, and go. Reverse lunge. Kick back. Kick back. And go. Let's push 3 more. Last 2. Last one. And itchy worms. And we're gonna mix it up with a push-up. You ready? Let's go, fit my looms. Let's go. And push up. Hey.
Yeah.
And that's just a warm up.
Just a warm up.
We're starting up.
And ikaqala.
Asikaqali sisashushubeza
Ngoku
umzimba.
ndikhathele kangaka.
Yo.
Wow.
Sishushubeza umzimba.
Siyanamkela enkqubeni. Bukeli nibabonile le bebeyenza ke yiyo ejonga kuwa necici lam but akunamsebenzi. Enkosi kakhulu. Kanti ke mbukeli okuba bekwenza yiyo kaloku i-functional personal training luhlobo ke lokuzivocavoca olugxile ekuphuceleni isakhono sokwenza imisebenzi yemihla ngemihla ngokufanelekileyo nangokukhuselekileyo. Namhlanje ke sijonga indlela esinokunceda ngayo ngengcebiso kaloku ezizisoko malunga nendlela yokuphila enhle nesempilweni. Okukubaluleke ngakumbi njengoko singena kaloku kwixesha leziyungu maze kuphela konyanga uDisemba apho kaloku impilo esemgangathweni iye ibe yinto yokugqibela ezingqondweni zabantu. Masinibulise kananjalo sinamkele ekhaya niyaphila?
Siyaphila sisaba enkosi.
Siyaphila. Kuyabonakala ngoku into yokubana singena kuDisemba and when it comes to indaba ye-health iba yinto ekugqibeleni abantu bajonge ukuba singena kuDisemba sifuna ukupata sifuna ukuthini. Ungathi mhlambe zeziphi izathu ezibangela into yobana abantu impilo yabo bangayijongisisi ingakumbi xa sijonga kwixesha leholide?
I think abantu bayasebenza man. Siyasebenza throughout the year. Siyasebenza. And sonke we just look forward to December into bana ubeli xesha nje lento bana uleye back and you know sonke nje because siyasebenza kakhulu. You know
siyasebenza and benisebenza nani neza i-functional training ndiqala noyiva ninganebelana nababukeli bethu into bana xa sithetha nge-functional training yintoni kanye kwaye what are the benefits for yona?
Functional training ilula nje njengoba izitsho i-training based on day-to-day activities. So into efana nezikwazi for instance when ucinga fana bana i-exercise but i-exercise like kuhlala phansi. You are squatting when you're sitting and you get up. Okay. So umuntu makakwazi uzihlalela phansi akwazi uziphakamela ngaphandle uyabona i-functional training leyo umuntu makanyuke ehle ngezi-steps ngaphandle
kokhefuzela.
Ewe.
Mhlambe ukhefuzela wouldn't be mhlambe sithi hayi no steps sokuba hayi noko mhlambe uzawukhefuzela namhlanje ngomso kuzaya kuba ngcono.
Injalo ke mntasekhaya. Injalo lento lena yojima. Whatever oyenzileyo namhlanje yakukhefuzelisa kusasa xa uyiphinda uzawukhefuzela ngcono.
Ndifuna ukususa nawe kule ngxoxo kuba ndiyabona into yobana khona izinto enizibhinqileyo apha mhlambe umuntu uzazibuza into yobana kwezi zinto enizibhinqileyo i-benefit yazo yintoni ingaba zintoni kwezi zinto enizibhinqileyo? Ndifuna utsho sisi.
So ezi zi-resistant bands ne zicishe zifane neentsimbi. So i-resistance training same thing apha ufumana i-resistance zibambile ke ziqinisile njemba zenjenje. So xa usisa umlenze for instance phambili funeka usebenzise amandla than you would if it was in there. So ubangaba mhlawumbe uyahamba ke uya kwezo holiday ezo kuloo ndawo yakuyo awufuna uthatha into zakho zojima because of space and what not ungazithathela nje i-bands ezi ufake ebhegini izilula.
Ungayenza lena nobugodukile semakhaya
egadini
awuchela uthi
uhamba uzifakile uyaqonda.
Ndifuna ke ngoku singena kumba we-habits because njengoko nditshilo eqala into yobana singena kuDisemba and kukho ii-habits esithe sazinormalize, but now sifuna a healthy lifestyle. Zeziphi mhlambe i-good healthy habits abantu ababukele ekhaya bangathi bazi-adapte uqinisekisa into yokubana umntu ngoJanuwari nakubeni nje ethe mhlambe omnye no ndifuna ukuqala into ze-exercises no-fitness ngoJanuwari, zeziphi mhlambe ii-habits anganokuzenza ngoku ezamenza into yobana ahlale emotivated, ungafika uJanuwari athi yo hayi ndiyapostpona kwakho?
Mna ndihlale ndisithi uDisemba inyanga entle uba uqale into yokuphila healthily. So if ufuna ujima qala ngoDisemba, uqale kancinci, ungaqala ngokuwalka nje okanye uhambe uyobaleka ekuseni. Ungaqala uyabona nje zona izinto esizifakileyo, into ongazenzela yona endlini, go to YouTube usearch functional training uzayifumana something, or Instagram no Facebook sikhona phayana siyazipost videos, uyabona. Uqale nje kwangoku athe efika uJanuwari akufumana ushushu
bese usemdleni.
Ewe.
Wow, sivile nento yobana kubamba nee-classes, kuba nee-classes ozibambayo. Nomdla kakhulu ukufumanisa into yokubana ezi classes ninazo ingaba mhlambe ziqulathe ntoni. Umuntu ofikayo bangaba ndiyafika andinawo amava endizawuthi ndikubalisele ngawo bano mna ndisuka kwi-fitness, this is my fitness journey. Nimqala phi umntu kwaye ndiyarhalela into yobana nomntu othi no mna ndinomhla nifumaneka njani?
Ii-classes nee-classes ezenziwayo, whether i-class okanye uza kum straight like as a personal trainer one-on-one ayo class, kukho isiqalo mhlawumbi unothisile ngoku besiqala besenza i-1 2 3s ne ebejumpa around, bendingajumpi around, bendiphakamisa nje umlenze mna ne. So yi-regression yi-progression.
Okay.
So for each and every exercise ozawuyenza kuzawuba khona i-regression yakhona. Uba wena ukwazi uyenza kanjena masiqale apha and then sikusebenze ke ngoku, sikusebenze step by step ude ufike kule ndawo ekumele ufike kuyo.
Hey make sifike because nithe eqaleni nenza i-warm up, andazi ngoku noba seningena kuvuthondaba. Mna ndithi hayi besele ndingenile kuvuthondaba, kodwa ke siyawuphinde futhi sinikeze iqonga kwakhona nibabonise ababukeli bethu. Chos.
Enkosi sami. Okay, so we'll start with masiqale ngazo 1 2 3 ne. Okay, all right, and 3 2 1 and go. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Remember those pendulum lunges. 5 4 3 2 1 and let's go. 1 2 3 4 5. Get ready to change sides. And 5 4 3 2 1. Let's go. 1 2 3 4 5. Get ready for squats. And 5 4 3 2. Get ready, let's go. And go squat and up. Squat and up. It's okay if you pause. It's okay if you pause. More tension, you can never go wrong. And up. Let's go. 5 more times. Almost there. Let's go. Breathe and push. Breathe and push. Last one. And push. And 5 4 3. Reverse lunges. 2 1. Let's go. 1
Siphinde sikamukele mbukeli wekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ngokuthi ke usahlezi kanye nathi la. Hayi ukholo sosayophuza amanzi impela kujima abanye kwakhathala yena. Kanti ke mbukeli mangabe siqhubela phambili nendaba esikuphathele zona. Kuneqembu lomculo laseBotswana, iPula the Musical. Lizojabulisa abathandi bomculo ngempela sonto eState Theatre khona lapha eGoli. Umculo wabo ke ugxile kwezothando, kweyithinta ukulahlekelwa, ukuzethemba kanye nokuhlola izinto ezenzeka emhlabeni wonke eyithinta nje inhliziyo zabantu abavela kuzo zonke igaba zempilo. Ukuzabanzeka lo mcimbi sizoxoxa nomphathi kwaleli qembu Kabelo Rapinyana. Dumela Kabelo.
Dumelang, how are you?
Ujwang?
I'm okay.
Ai nathi siyaphila. Ri amuhele moko ekhaya Jikelele. Ri a leboga gagolo gore o tle o tlo re tshakela.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Yes. So, firstly, maybe please tell us about this musical. Like, how did you come about in terms of the formation of the group?
Wow. So, Pula the Musical has a very interesting journey. It's a creation of talented Botswana director called Andrew Lutsokola. The show speaks about the relationship that Botswana have with rain. And you know, our country, Botswana, it's a semi-desert one. So, rain is very sacred. To Botswana, and also very spiritual, because rain also gives, it's called life-giving rain.
Okay.
Yeah, because without rain, we don't live. So, the Pula depicts the different relationships that Botswana have with rain, and also the spirituality, the spiritual connection that we have with rain. But also deep down with that, it's a story about a young girl who is tasked with the powers of becoming the community's rainmaker, and the spiritual journey she has to go through, but also live the love, the disappointment, and also carrying this heavy burden for the whole community. So it's a whole energetic, powerful show that just
Kabatswana. Yeah, because I think I've watched a show yaseBotswana somewhere ngisakhumbula igama layo, but ngiyazi ukuthi kuyo kwakudame kuthiwa kancane kancane Pula ayine Pula ayine ilapho engabona khona ukuthi oh so rain is quite special to abantu baseBotswana, and there's a deep meaning behind it. So awungitshela ke process ke ye cast yakho abantu abakhona, like how do you get your musicians that sing there or the dancers?
Wow. So we have had a process. I mean, some of the guys we worked with over the years, and we've developed as talent. But we had auditions with with over 150 people auditioning for different roles in the show. And we're fortunate enough to get down to about 50. Cast members, and these are very talented dancers, singers. Musicians. So it's a whole spectrum of people that we use on the play.
So who wrote the play?
The play is co-written by Andrew and some of the cast members. So it's a workshop kind of play. But the story and the creation is of Mr. Andrew Lutsokola. He's the one who came up with the whole concept and yeah.
Okay, so I understand, and I know it's going to be different kinds of people that are going to attend the show. I mean, what can they take after this show?
First of all, number one, as Africans, we have one common language: song, dance, storytelling.
Yes.
Yeah. So definitely that you're going to benefit from song, from the dance, and the storytelling. But also you're going to understand better about Botswana. And the reason why we have come here to South Africa, and thank you to State Theatre for partnering with us, is that we want a cultural exchange. We want to teach people, even if you've never heard one Tswana word like yourself here, you can come, and when you live there, you understand a lot more about your neighbors here. Botswana,
So when you were planning, you were in your planning phase, like how are you going to ensure that when I live there, understanding Botswana?
First of all, I think when you go through our social media platforms, we have been telling the story of Pula. Through pictures, through telling the story of Bujala when young girls go for initiation school. We're telling about the different songs. We talk about the different costumes in the show. So I think before going to your show, just go through the Pula page, and you'll start understanding and seeing these things come to life on stage.
So, what any role are dancers? Like musicals, what's their role?
Dancers. Dancers, first of all, they depict the story in movement.
Yes.
Yeah, they depict the story in movement, but also they give a certain vibrancy to the show in terms of just using the body to communicate.
So for somebody that wants to come and watch the show at the theatre, please give us the details about the dates and
so today we have what we call on Thursday we have what we call a special closed previewing, which is mainly for media and people in the art critic space to come and see and appreciate the show. It will happen tomorrow at 3 o'clock. And then on Friday is the big night. We're there where we hope we have everyone pulling out the red carpet type of feel. To come on Friday at 8 at the State Theatre, the drama theatre in the State Theatre. On Saturday we have a matinee show at 3 and also have an evening show at 8. And on Sunday our final show will be on Sunday at 3 o'clock. Tickets are 150 pre-sold and also 200 at the door. So we encourage people to go on to the web ticket link, web tickets website and get the tickets there. You get them for 150, but if not, you can come and just get them for 200 at the door.
Oh, uyakwazi ukwathola khona ukuthi uswathola ngo200. So i-page lenu lithini ama details social media page sengifuna ukuchecka phela so that by the time if ngidecide ukuza nami senginayo ukuthi hayi zisha phila.
Our page is Pula, the musical Pula !, the musical. On all social media platforms. All right. And our email is pulathemusical@gmail.com. Pula the musical without the explanation. pulathemusical@gmail.com.
Yazi ngihlezi ngiyibuza before ngikudedela ukuthi uma kuzokwenziwa ishow enjengalena preparation behind it ihamba kanjani? Like I can imagine nama dancers like kumele be fit, kumele kube ne training before.
Yes, I mean let me give you a few numbers. We did Pula 5 runs in Botswana. We sold out all 5 shows. And then we are talking about almost 14 months of work, 60 cast and crew members. We're talking over 150 costumes. We're talking over 60 props. And we're talking about almost $500,000 spent on just this project. No, I mean, we try here and there, but it's a special show. But we have partners that will also introduce at the show. But I also big up to the theatre for partnering with the production, especially from Botswana.
Kabelo, thank you so much for visiting us. We wish you all the best. May the people pull up in numbers in that red carpet. Thank you so much for coming.
I hope to see you there also.
Yeah, we'll see. Ungangiconvince kahle nje. Hayi ngayithola sengikhona sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Umbukelo bekukabelo ebesixoxisana naye mayelana nePula the musical ezobe ilapha yana eState Theatre. Siyacela ke ukuthi ungene kuma social media platforms zabo uzobona ama details nokuthi amathikiti nani atholakala lokho. Okwamanje nje ka siqu 8 lo mangabe sibuya mbukeli. Hey, isikhathi sambile sesingene ehoreni lethu lokugcina. Ekhaya Jikelele.